Sorry. Do you speak English?
Yes. What's the problem, sir?
Sorry. I have a problem understanding the menu. What is this?
Oh, that is our coffee shop's special French toast paired with honey and strawberry.
I see. I would like one of that, and a black coffee, please.
Got that. Anything else, sir?
I think that's all. Thank you a lot for your help. By the way, your English is really good. Where did you learn it?
Thank you, sir. I am actually studying English at my university now. I am a third-year student and English is my major. Our shop also has many English-speaking customers, so I get used to it now.
No wonder your English is so excellent. You must be a very hard-working student.
You are welcome, sir. We will bring out your order in a moment.
Well, once again, thank you for your service.
Dialogue 2, Meeting New Friends. Donna joins an international volunteer activity where she helps at an orphanage in Laos. Here she meets many people from different countries. Today is her first day and she meets the members.
Hi, I am Donna. I am from the US. What about you? Where are you from? Do you speak English?
Hi, I am Katu. I'm from Japan. I can speak a little English. Nice to meet you.
Hello, guys. My name is Dustin. My home country is from Canada, so of course I can speak English pretty well.
Nice to meet you all. What a relief that we can all communicate in English. This is my first time doing volunteer work abroad, so I am pretty nervous if I can make friends with the members.
Yeah, me too. By the way, Katu, your English is so good.
Thanks, Dustin. It is actually thanks to working in this volunteer organization. I can meet many people from different countries to practice English.
I see. Great to hear that. Seems like you have lots of fun here.
I do. Besides working hours, members usually talk a lot. I have joined this activity for almost 2 years now.
That's great. But did you learn English before joining her?
Yes, I did. I studied English in my high school. But I was not so good at it. I could not have a proper conversation at that time.
But you are doing amazing now. What an improvement. It is so cool of you to be able to speak 2 languages. I want to learn Japanese someday. Can you teach me?
Yes, anytime. But I have to warn you that Japanese is not easy at all.
Haha, I know. Donna can join me studying, right Donna?
Yeah. I want to learn Japanese too. The language sounds so cool.
Oh, I have to go now. I will call you later. Nice to meet you. Goodbye!